Mayong adlaw sa tanan, no? So nana ta diri karon sa may Matuog, Barangay Matuog. Bago lang na human atong health presentation, no? Health orientation for this morning, no? Buntag and afternoon session ta. So atong venue is gymnasium kani, and this is the entrance. Okay, pakita ako ituyok. This is the entrance. And then nata silang barangay hall, health center. So kani ilang health center. And then of course, no, sa mani diri barangay hall and no, then ilan yung gymnasium dere. So kami nilang nabili, no, na busy kayo kaganina storya, no, right after sa presentation, no, busy kayo kaganina pod, and nakahinumdum ko karon, no, before ta mo lakaw and before ta mag-lunch, because afternoon is num-num ta, no. And thank you Lord for the opportunity, no, very successful. Thank you Lord, no, naabtan tag-ulan kaganina, no, sa may ayungon, so nabasa atong sapatos o kanang sa may pants na itong apart, no. Thank you Lord kis nga tanan, no. Anyway, init na karon ng panahon, nice weather. Okay, so kung baliko, no, nata sa may barangay Matuog. Okay, thank you Lord nga nakabalik ta diri, and then atong nahatag atong topic for today. Okay, so lipay and excited, no, for this afternoon session na pod. So before ta mo balik dumagyato inyang hapon. Okay, then na po tayo panghapit-hapiton. Bye bye, no, God bless. Happy lunchtime, no, sa tanan. Happy Friday. Enjoy. God bless. Thank you Lord. Bye bye. Okay, everyone. Okay.